In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Skrill to your Shopify store. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring you can easily accept payments via Skrill, a popular payment gateway. Let's dive in. Start by opening your preferred browser and searching for Skrill business account. Look for the official Skrill site and click the link to sign up for a business account. This is an essential step as having a Skrill business account is necessary for integrating Skrill with Shopify. Once you're on the sign up page, you'll see an option to enter your email address. Go ahead and input your email, then click submit. Now, as you set up your Skrill business account, make sure to fill out all sections thoroughly. This includes your business information, address, website, and details about business contacts and ownership. Also, don't forget to provide any additional business information required and answer any questions asked. It's crucial to review and understand the terms and conditions before accepting them. Once you've completed all sections and carefully reviewed your details, you can click Submit to finalize your Skrill business application. Next, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. From there, navigate to Settings, which is usually found at the bottom of the left-hand menu. Once in Settings, locate and click on the Payments section. Here, you're going to configure the payment options that your store will accept. Scroll down to find Supported or Additional Payment Methods and click on it. Then look for an option to Add Payment Method. This will lead you to a search bar where you can type in Skrill. Once it appears, click on it to proceed. With Skrill selected, your next step will be to install it as one of your store's payment methods. Simply click the Install button and follow the prompts to begin the setup. After successfully installing Skrill, you'll need to fill in some crucial details. This is why having a Skrill business account is vital. It provides the information you need to complete this setup. Pay special attention to the hints provided beneath each input field. These hints can guide you, especially if you're unsure about particular entries. For example, under the Merchant ID field, the hint might mention that your Skrill customer ID is located in the upper right corner of your Skrill account dashboard. Take your time to ensure all information is accurate. Double-check everything before you hit Submit. This step finalizes the integration of Skrill with your Shopify store, allowing you to start accepting payments efficiently. Congratulations, you've successfully added Skrill to your Shopify store. Integrating a trusted payment gateway like Skrill not only offers more options to your customers, but also enhances your store's credibility. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more videos for additional Shopify tips and tricks.